Hello kids, come with me to tie. Let's see animals. 1, 2, 3. Duck in water, swim, swim, swim. Duck says quack, quack, listen in. Frog in water, jump, jump, jump. Frog says beep, 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 thump. Fish in water, splash, splash, blue. Fish goes blub, blub, blue. Swan in water, glides so slow. Swan says hunk, soft and low. Now let's go to land today. Land animals want to play. Dog on land goes run, run, run. Dog says woo, woof, so fun. Cat on land goes tiptoe, meows. Cat says meow, meow, bow wow. Cow on land goes step, step slow. Cow says moo, low and slow.